गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सब्जेक्ट एसएस चैप्टर नंबर 5 अर्थ आर होम। हमने पहले सब कुछ पढ़ लिया है, पर अब हम हमारा चैप्टर रीड करेंगे। लेट अस रीड इट। As we know, we live on the planet Earth. You must heard, read, and see that the Earth is round. Earth is round. Since you live on Earth, you do not realize that the Earth is round. You cannot see its shape, but the Earth is too vast. वो बहुत बड़ा है और अर्थ आप देख नहीं सकते कि वो राउंड है, पर वो राउंड है। हाउ कैन वी प्रूव दैट द अर्थ इज राउंड। अब हम कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि अर्थ राउंड है। तो इफ वी गो टू द मून एंड लुक द अर्थ वी ऑब्जर्व दैट इट इज राउंड। आप चांद अब आप चांद पे जाओगे तो वहाँ से आप देख सकते हो कि अर्थ कैसा शेप है अर्थ का, तो वो है राउंड। मैनी एस्ट्रोनॉट हैव taken photographs of the earth from the space and the picture shows the spherical or a round shape of the earth। वहाँ से उन्होंने पिक्चर भेजे बहुत सारे और इससे प्रूफ क्या हुआ कि अर्थ इज राउंड। दिस आर द एस्ट्रोनॉट विच आर द एस्ट्रोनॉट। तो राकेश शर्मा, कल्पना चावला, सुनीता विलियम and many more scientists which went on the space, which traveled to the space at the moon। now the globe। तो ग्लोब मैंने पहले बोला था, तो व्हाट इज द ग्लोब। तो इट इज अ मॉडल विच इज शोन इन द फिगर 5.2। इट इज अ ग्लोब, इट इज द मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ, okay, which is known as the globe। now in globe, if you observe the globe you will find horizontal and vertical lines drawn on it। आपको horizontal और vertical lines आपको दिख सकती है। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये एक इक्वेटर की लाइन है। जो डार्क कलर की लाइन है वो इक्वेटर है। These lines are actually not drawn on the earth but they are imaginary lines। वो imaginary lines है। The horizontal lines are latitudes and the vertical lines are longitudes। Horizontal latitude, vertical longitude। Now observe the globe and answer the following questions। आपको ग्लोब को दिखना है और आपको क्वेश्चंस बताने, आंसर्स बताने हैं। विच हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन डिवाइड्स द ग्लोब इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स। तो इस दोनों पार्ट को कौन इक्वल करता है। तो द आंसर इज इक्वेटर। नेम द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द ग्लोब विच लाइज द नॉर्थन ऑफ द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। नेम द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द ग्लोब विच लाइज टू द नॉर्थन ऑफ द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन। जो भी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड होती है वो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ऑन द नॉर्थ, दैट इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, and another that is Atlantic line, and at the south side it is a Capricorn, tropic of Capricorn, and Arctic। on north it is Arctic and in south it is Atlantic lines। Name the other two dark parallel horizontal and the globe। जो भी parallel होता है globe पे वो दूसरी दो कौन है। तो as we can see that here they have also given that in page number 25 that they have given many types of vertical and horizontal line। if you were in the school I can show you that how the globe is and how the parallel lines and which are the equator, where is the equator, where is the tropic of Cancer, where is the tropic of Capricorn, and many more things which we can know in that globe। so they have given here the it is necessary that take your teachers guidelines। here you have to, if you don't know what is this, I have before shown you that this whole what is known as equator, where is equator, where is tropic of Cancer, you have to note down in your textbook which is the equator, which is the tropic of Cancer, which is the tropic of Capricorn, and many more। okay, now they have also given here, I have also shown you this in the before video, that by seeing that you have to write down these question answers, name the countries which where the this you have to not write down in your textbook, because you are not in the school base, and the torchlight is not also present with you, no, not a globe is present with you, so you have to not write the question number 4, but 1 2 3 you can write by your own self. Now they have given here the different zones of the different zones in the climatic weather. So we have learned in before video different types of zones. There are 3 zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and freeze zone. Torrid is also known as tropical zone. Now what here they have said, the earth is divided into various zones according to the temperature and the heat of the sun. जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ता, जैसे जैसे सन की हीट मिलती है, वैसे जोन्स बने होते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ जोन्स बने होते हैं, क्योंकि टेम्परेचर अमुक स्टेट में बहुत सारा टेम्परेचर होता है, अमुक स्टेट में बहुत लो होता है, वैसे वैसे होता है. दिस जोन्स आर कॉल्ड क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स. उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? क्लाइमेटिक जोन और हीट जोन. The figure 5.4 shows the climatic zones of the earth. We can divide the earth into the 3 zones according to the amount of heat received. जितना heat received होता है उसके कारण हमें zones में convert करना है, zones में हम दिखा सकते हैं. So here in figure 5.4 they have given frigid zone, टेम्परेट जोन जहाँ पे ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर आता है, टॉरिड जोन वेयर द इक्वेटर इज प्रेजेंट, टेम्परेट जोन वेयर द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न इज प्रेजेंट, एंड फ्रीजिड जोन जहाँ पे आईसी होता है. ओके, लाइक दैट दे हैव गिवन हियर climatic zone. This you have to remember because it is very important for you. So climatic zone, torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Okay, these are the 3 zones. Now they have given how the torrid zones, how is the weather in the torrid zone. So they have extremely heat, heavy rainfall, high temperature, varied vegetations, and varied animals. Okay, like that they have temperate zone जहाँ पे मीडियम में होता है, not nor more heat, neither nor heat is more nor heat is too low. So moderate, उसको हम क्या करेंगे? moderate, medium, moderate heat, moderate rain, moderate temperature, few varieties of flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means animals and vegetations. And frigid zone जहाँ पे extremely cold, no rainfall is there, 5 months covered with ice, जहाँ पे ice बहुत सारी होती है, and sclerotic grasses. Okay, now there is given continents and oceans. If you observe the globe, you will see that the earth is divided into lands and water. Large land masses are called continents, and large areas covered with water are called oceans. What are continent and what are oceans? These are the definitions of continent and oceans. Now they have given here a outline map of the world. Like that you can see here where is the layer of Capricorn, where is the layer of equator, and where is the line of a Tropic of Cancer. Like that they have here given the names of continents. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Draw an outline of each continent in the box given below using an atlas. You will find that the 7 continents Atlantica has not been mentioned. Atlantica यहाँ पे mention नहीं किया गया है इस continents में. You can locate it on the south pole on the globe. अब हमें ये करना है हमारे मैप में. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड लिया है. ओके, दिस इज अ मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड. हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड. हमें भी करना है, तुमको भी करना है मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड, जिसके कारण आप समझ सकते हो, आपको पता चलेगा. तो अब हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? मैप ऑफ वर्ल्ड. व्हाट वी आर शोइंग हियर, तो कॉन्टिनेंट्स, एंड ओशंस. These two we are going to see in this map. Okay, map of world. Now first we are going to see which are the continents. So here they have given number 1 Asia. So in this map, where is Asia? Do you know, children, where is Asia? Okay, this is known as Asia. Okay, we have to write down here Asia. Now second they have given Europe. So which is the Europe here? You can see the map. How is here Europe? So you can see here where is the Europe. So इसके यहाँ पे यूरोप है, तो वहाँ आपको क्या लिख लेना है? यूरोप. These are the continents. Okay, remember that which are the continents. Now number 3 they have given Africa. So where is here Africa? So here you can see where is Africa. So you can write here it is Africa. So number 4th is North America. So where is North America? It is a northern side. This is north side and this is south side. So we can write here that it is a North America. Here it is a North America. Now number 5th that is South America. So opposite to north it is south. So here you have to write South America. Australia. Where is Australia? It is beside Asia. So here you have to write it is Australia. Australia. And the last, which is Antarctica. In this we have to write Antarctica. Where is Antarctica? And number last, which is the 7 continents, which is Antarctica. So you can, where is Antarctica? Because it is a icy zone. So where is the Antarctica? So Antarctica is at the southern side. So here we have to write the Antarctica. It is the Antarctica. Like that, it is the continents. And now you have to write the oceans. Where are the oceans present? So where is the Arctic Ocean? So it is at the northern side in this map. So we have to write where is the Arctic Ocean. So here it is at the upper side it is the Arctic Ocean. This is an Arctic Ocean. Where is the Pacific Ocean? So where is Pacific Ocean? So here it is a Pacific Ocean near the Asia. It is a Pacific Ocean. So here you have to write Pacific Ocean. Like that, where is Indian Ocean? So as we know that Indian Ocean is beside India. So here we have to write it is an Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean now. So where is the Atlantic Ocean? Show me, where is the Atlantic Ocean? Yes, near the North and South America there is the Atlantic. So this is the Antarctica Ocean. So here we have to write Antarctic Ocean. So now let us repeat all the continents and oceans. So number 1, that is Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, South America, North America, and Antarctica. These are the continents. And which are the oceans? Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. These are the oceans. So you have to write down this map of world in your map. Thank you.